So this is how the fakes can't install or can't download Snapchat on your phone. So if you find it difficult to download Snapchat on your phone or to install Snapchat on the phone, what you have to do is to first, there are so many ways that can fix this problem. Sometimes you may not be able to download or install Snapchat on your device just because your version of your phone is very low, and sometimes too your phone storage is running low, and also with your phone it's crashing. I mean, Snapchat is having a problem on their system. It also affects your downloading problem. Do you get me? It affects you when downloading Snapchat on Google Play Store. And sometimes too they are going to have some bugs or some problem with Google Play Store that makes you it makes it difficult for you to download it. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So tap on Google Play Store. Then after that, what you have to do is to, you know, tap on your profile over here. So when you tap on your profile, you're going to see this. Tap on the settings. Then after that, tap on network preference. Then you tap on app download preference. Then make sure you put your app download preference on over any network. Then tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to, go to your phone settings. So go to your phone menu and tap on the settings. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on the app and notifications. Then after that, tap on see your apps. Then after that, wait for it to load. After loading, then tap on the search apps at the top and let's type in Snapchat. Then tap on the Snapchat. Then after that, tap on for stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and card. Then tap on the click catch. Go back. Then now what you have to do, if it's not working, is first go to your settings again. When this do not work, go to your phone settings, scroll down below, tap on system, then you tap on system update. This you have to turn on your data, then you type in check for update. So you have to tap over here, check for update, to fix this problem. And I hope this video has been helpful. So this is how to fix the problem. So put in mind, sometimes when it's still not working, then first of all you have to go to your phone menu and try to search for file manager. Tap on your file manager and check for your storage. So as you can see, my storage is almost full. So when I'm trying to download an application, it's going to sometimes have a problem. It depends on the application that you are downloading. So when the application has a very large storage, then it's going to be very difficult. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you've learned something over here. If you have any question, just drop it in my comment section. See you in the next one. Subscribe, like, and also share.